Oh, hello guys. Good morning. How are you? Salam, namaste, adab. So my wife is preparing cake for her mom, my Tamma. Today is her birthday. So this is a sponge cake. She's preparing.